this is pretty amazing. I have enough hose from this 100-foot hose to come all the way down here to my spigot situation for watering the garden. So what you just saw me do, I had to replace the old hose with a new hose because the old hose had leaks at that fitting that I showed you, that yellow fitting. So went ahead and replaced that. Sometimes you gotta just bite the bullet and get the better equipment. No, this is not the ideal situation, but it's what we can deal with for right now. So this is what we're doing. These millings will eventually be parking area and gravel lot, so those will be going away soon. So basically what we're doing is, because we don't have a water line situation out here yet, one day maybe not, I don't know, we'll figure it out later. I would love to have a water line, but the hose situation works for now. These millings will all be gone. Like I said, they're going to turn into driveway and parking area and barn ground. So this one hose is going to prevent any kind of leaks happening from that old hose and the fittings, and if there's a leak, we know it's this giant 100-foot hose. But I wanted to show you the fittings. So we've got these quick connects. So this guy came from local farm store called Buckeyes. This thing's great. You just hook your hose into the back side of it, and then you have your own spigot and situation here. Now, this splitter obviously was mine. This did not come with this, but you could get the 4-prong splitter, have 4 different hoses. I just need 2 out here right now. But I wanted to show you that this is how this works. It's actually pretty handy dandy. I can do it one-handed, maybe. There it is. There it is. You got push up and pull. You got push up, pull down, and it comes out. That's it. So I'm going to take this fitting and put it on the new 100-foot hose, and then we will constantly have water flow out here whenever we turn the hose on. Neat. I probably need to tighten that up, but it doesn't leak, so I'm not really too worried about it. So now we still have this hose. That's good. I have this fitting, which I don't know, there's no O-ring in there like there's supposed to be. So that might be part of the problem. Usually there's a little O-ring. It's usually red or black. Sometimes they're green. And that keeps these things from leaking. That might be what the problem was with this. But that's okay. We've got one continuous hose going. That will eventually be underground if we don't get water out here anytime soon. And then I've got my garden hose going all the way out to the garden. And we're good to go. The other hose that I disconnected, that will actually be another good hose that we've got. So what's the moral of this video today? I'm going to tell you. The moral of this video is, if you've got the opportunity to spend a couple more bucks to make your life a little bit more productive and a little bit easier, do it. We should have bit that bullet, spent the extra 20 bucks or whatever on the 100-foot hose from the get-go. That's what we should have done. But I didn't do that because we didn't have the 100-foot hose around here, and I wasn't going to go get the 100-foot hose anytime soon because I forget about it. So what do? I hassle around with these multiple hoses until I finally get tired of the puddle and realize how bad it was leaking. So that's it. Go for the better option if you can. If you can't, deal with what you got. You can make it work, but if you can spend a few extra dollars, do it the first time right. Then you don't have to go back and fix it later. Anyway, thanks for watching this quick video. I just wanted to put that out there, and I hope everyone has a great day, and I hope your summer is going to be kicked off soon, like mine is already. It's beautiful, 80-something degrees, and I'll be in the garden today. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Everyone have a great day. I'll catch you on the next one.